Hi everyone, happy holidays and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful DIY Christmas lantern. Now this will be the first Christmas DIY for this month. Basically, we found this beautiful lantern in the stores and we thought this would be a really beautiful DIY for your front porch or even inside the house as a nice decorative piece. So if you'd like to see how to make this beautiful lantern, then please keep on watching. Alright, so to get started, of course you're going to need some decoration. So we have 2 turtle doves here. We also have some poinsettia bunches and also some pinecone bunches, and these have the nice fake icicles on them so they look really realistic. We got these from Walmart, by the way. Also, you of course need a lantern. Now you can get one of these lanterns that have the candles in them already, or you can decorate it and add whatever you want inside the lantern. Now you don't have to get the exact same lantern. You can get any type of size, color, whatever you can find. You'll of course need some glue sticks and a glue gun so that you can glue everything on top of the lantern. Alright, so now we're going to start putting all of our decorative pieces onto the lantern. Now you'll want to really double up on the glue for this because sometimes it doesn't stick on very well, especially if yours has very sharp angles like our lantern does. You'll also want to plan out where you want everything to go. We did this beforehand, so we knew that we wanted these types of branches to be on each corner of the top of the lantern, and then add the other pieces into the center. And you'll just have to play with it. Play with the supplies that you have. Everyone's supplies would of course be different, so you'll have to play with it and see how it places well onto the lantern. Now as you can see here, we were having a little trouble with the poinsettia piece because we didn't know exactly where we wanted to put it until we started moving it around. So you'll just have to move it around until you figure it out. And so yeah, one of our pine cones did fall off. So you're just going to take some glue. If this happens, take some glue and just stick it right back on. Not a big deal. And then you can add more stuff into the areas that are sparse to make it look more full. So ours wasn't looking very sparse because of the type of branches we were using, but if you have them that are very sparse, you can find ways to fit things in. So like little Christmas ornaments or more little birds and things like that. Anything that would go with the theme that you're going for. When you're placing these, you can place them in any position that you'd like, and in fact they don't have to be so symmetrical as we have them here. You can place them very differently because they are tree branches and naturally they would not actually be placed this way evenly on each side. They would grow in different directions and things like that, but we decided to make it more even and have everything evenly placed on each edge. You can go ahead and make it look even more natural by adding them in different directions in different ways, just so that it looks like it's naturally growing around the lantern. But this is just the method that we decided to use. And that's what's really great about this DIY, is the fact that you can do this in any way, in any shape or form that you'd like, and it will still come out very beautiful because you're just trying to cover up the top of the lantern, so you can cover it with whatever you'd like. So as you can see here, now we're adding on our little turtle doves. And any sparse places that you have, you can add these doves or any type of other Christmas or holiday ornaments that you have. They will really look nice, especially in the areas that are a little sparse, and they'll just cover up that area so that everything looks very much full. Alright, now these are what our lanterns look like in low lighting. So as you can see, the focal point of the lantern in low lighting is of course what's inside the lantern, and that's why we emphasize that putting things in the lantern will really bring out the beauty in it, especially in low light. Now of course in regular light, the star of the show is of course what we did on the top, which is the beautiful decorative piece on top of the DIY lantern. So on top of the lantern, as you can see in regular lighting, how beautiful the poinsettias, the pine cones, the beautiful fake icicles, the turtle doves. It's just a really nice color palette, and it just makes it look so vibrant and beautiful, especially in this festive time of the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, Also, don't forget to comment down below what you're doing for the holidays. We'd love to know what you guys are doing for the holidays. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you thought of this video and anything else on our channel. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos every single week. Because of December and the holiday season, we're trying to do something like vlogmas, where we're going to be doing a lot more videos for the December. And if you'd like to know more about that, just keep up with our social media pages, which will be in the description box below. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching.